Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine. Today we are going to write the classwork of the fifth lesson. Yes, okay. Okay children. Take the classwork children. Write the lesson number, name of the lesson, way around our neighborhood. First bit, write the date, new words, directions. 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 The second one, straight. 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 Landmark. 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 Fourth one, north. 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 Fifth one, south. 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 Sixth one, east. East. Seventh one, west. West. Eighth one, left. Left. Ninth one, right. Right. Tenth one, neighborhood. 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 Yes, you have to draw the line with the scale. 1, 2. Again in the next page, draw the line. 3, 4. 4 times you have to write children. And the question answers from the work, very short answer question. Fifth one, sixth one. Okay. And the short answer question, the seventh one you have to write. Okay children. Take the textbook children. Page number 16. Reading lesson number 5, way around our neighborhood. Let us learn about directions and subdirections. Identify directions. Mapping our neighborhood. The use of a compass. Think. Can you help the puppy to find its way home? To reach its house, the dog needs to know where to take the correct turns. Similarly, we also need to know our way to visit places in our neighborhood or inside our school. How do we find our way? Remembering. What do we need to know before we go to any place? We should know the address and where it is located. When we tell someone how to go to a place, we give directions. While giving directions, we use words like left, right, straight, and so on. We use these words in relation to a landmark. A landmark is a well known place in an area that can be easily seen. It can be identified from a distance. Page number 17, children. Turn left, turn right, go straight ahead, go past, cross. These are the symbols, children. Yeah, directions and subdirections. We also give directions using the four main directions: north, east, south, west. There are also four subdirections that lie between these main directions. They are northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Understanding, children? How do you know which is the north and which is the east? Let us do an activity to find directions. These directions and subdirections help us to know places in our neighborhood. They also help us to read maps of our city, district, state and so on. Facing the sun when it rises. That direction is the east. Open your arms as shown in the picture. Your left hand shows the north. Your right hand shows the south. The direction behind you is the west. Okay, turn the page, children. Page number 18. To read a map, you need to know the direction that you have learnt. A map is given below. It shows a house. Ria lives in this house. Her house is east facing. She wants to go to the post office to post a letter to her friend. Let us help Ria. Since Ria's house is east facing, she faces the east when she steps out. The directions are as follows: step out of the house and go to the road on your left. Turn west. Walk westward on the road. Turn left towards the south at the end of the road. The post office is at the corner of the road. Is there any other way to reach the post office? Discuss with your friends. Okay, children? An interesting way of remembering directions is never, never eat slimy worms. Yes, north, east, south, west. Page number 19, children. One more way of finding directions is to use a compass. It is a device used to find directions on the surface of the earth. It has a needle which always points towards the north south direction. It is mainly used in ships to understand the directions. Yes, children, your homework, what it is, learn and write page number 12. In the 12 page number, you have to write short answer question. Means this one, the 7th one and the 12th one, you have to write. From the workbook in homework, you have to write. Okay, children? Yes, the classwork what we did, the new words we have written. You have to write new words. Yes, and the answers from the workbook. From the workbook you have to write. Yes, which one you have to write, children? Very short answer question, the 5th one and 6th one. Short answer question, you have to write 7th one. Yes, you have to write this, children. This is the homework and this is the classwork. Okay, okay, children.